everybody, fellow hobbyists, enthusiasts, makers. It's Clint with Custom 3D Specialties. It's good to see y'all again. Come home today, and I got a package sitting on my door from my lovely friends at Creality. Came in a little ripped, but box feels fine. So let's see what they sent me this time. I hope everybody's been well. Been being creative. Uh-oh. Can you guess? The CR Scan Ferret. Nice little box. Box contains CR Scan Ferret, a rechargeable handle, the snail gimbal, the mobile phone clip, the USB cable for computer, USB cable for smartphone and rechargeable handle, and one Allen wrench. And let's see what this thing looks like. So yeah, I hope everybody's been well. Oh, look at this cute little box. Look at, maybe a cute little box, but from the previews I've seen, the scanner packs a pretty good little punch. Look at this. So we got our instruction manual. There again, shows the contents, runs through a bunch of other specifications, gives you a quick rundown on how to assemble everything, smartphone connection, computer connection, and workflows on how to do stuff. And then they give you the quick little guide for the software, and color, no color, texture versus geometry, some little frequently asked questions, FAQs. So this must be the little gimbal. This is the phone adapter. Got a whole bunch of stuff up in here. Wow. Bag. Got silicone pack, our Creality qualified certificate. And that's all that's in the packet. So cable for recharging the handle and smartphone, along with the Allen wrench. Okay. It's a USB Type C, USB Type C, and the regular USB. And we have the USB Type C to USB, extra long connection cable for the phone, or for the computer. Next we have the handheld battery and tripod. I do not see a power button. May just be automatic though. Once you plug something in, it registers. And here is the little ferret itself. Look at that. It's look how big that is, folks. I mean, that's 4 inches. Talk about a very portable scanner. Look at that. I mean, here again. That's how big that is. I see myself. And so this goes on here because this is the very little screw. want to tighten in the wrong spot. Okay. Let's see here. Go up. There we go. So that goes on there. Then this slides on here. This screws down. And this screws on here. And I have this a little backwards, according to how the phone is supposed to go. So right there like that. Let's take this out, turn it around. And there we go. Well, let's see a little bit of the what they tell you in the manual here for specifications. Working distance 150 millimeters to 700 millimeters. Single capture range is 820 millimeters by 560 millimeters at 700 millimeters away. Single frame per session up to 0.1 millimeter. Minimum point distance resolution 0.16 millimeters. Minimum scan volume 50 millimeters by 50 millimeters by 50 millimeters. Alignment is going to be feature / color. Scanning speed up to 30 frames per second. This does offer color scanning. Indoor-outdoor scanning. Light source is class 1 NIR. The weight is 105 grams. Scanner dimensions 120 millimeters by 30 millimeters by 26 millimeters. Like I said, this is a very small portable scanner. And it is phone compatible. Android and iPhone. So stay tuned. There will definitely be some scanning videos to come. As you can see behind me here, I have some stuff already in mind, set up, waiting to, I don't know what the word I'm looking for. It's have its scanning debut, so to say. But here again, thank you, Creality, the CR Scan Ferret. Make sure you go check out my page, Facebook group actually, Creality, CR Scan Ferret, Lizard, and O1 scanner owners. And definitely be sure to follow Creality's pages for all their awesome giveaways, friendly staff, and great group members that are always available, willing to help. Don't mind a couple bad apples, you always get a few. Take it with a grain of salt. But again, thank you, Creality. More to come. See everybody soon. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and get notified anytime I release some new videos. There will be some more to come. Take care, everybody. Bye.